At AZEK, we offer high-quality, durable trim solutions engineered for easy installation and superior performance, including AZEK Cornerboards. AZEK Cornerboards offer faster installation and a seamless finish to complement any home exterior. Approved for ground contact and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, AZEK Cornerboards help you work smarter. Unlike two-piece cornerboards, which attract dirt in the seam, our one-piece cornerboards are seamless, offering a quick, clean installation. AZEK Cornerboards and Rabbeted Cornerboards are pre-formed and come in 4, 6, and 8-inch widths and lengths up to 20 feet. Available with a smooth or wood grain finish, AZEK Cornerboards can be used with a variety of siding products, including fiber cement and wood. AZEK Rabbeted Cornerboards are often used with vinyl siding, where siding tucks behind the rabbet. AZEK Cornerboards are installed similarly to AZEK Trim. In this video, we'll guide you through quick steps to ensure a successful AZEK Cornerboard installation. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools ready. To ensure performance of AZEK Cornerboards, use a highly durable fastener such as stainless steel or hot-dipped galvanized fasteners. For best results, use Cortex collated fastening system or fasteners designed for wood trim. As a rule, if you can bend the fastener in your fingers, it is too thin. No wire or brad nails. Begin installation by cutting the cornerboard piece. Position the cornerboard on the miter saw so that one face rests flat against the saw's base, while the other face stands vertically, facing you, with the saw blade aligned to cut through the bend. Carefully cut the cornerboard piece to the measured lengths, ensuring clean and precise cuts, using a fine-tooth carbide-tipped blade for best results. Position your boards as desired and use a level to ensure the column is plumb prior to fastening. Follow these fastener spacing guidelines. For 4-inch cornerboards, use one fastener in the center of the board every 12 inches or less along the length of the board on both sides of the corner. For 6-inch cornerboards, use 2 fasteners in the center of the board every 12 inches or less along the length of the board on both sides of the corner. For 8-inch cornerboards, use 3 fasteners in the center of the board every 12 inches or less along the length of the board on both sides of the corner. With all cornerboards, ensure that the fasteners are positioned at least 1 inch away from the edges and outside corner. If using rabbeted trim, be careful that the fasteners do not go through the rabbeted pocket, as this will restrict siding movement later. Using Cortex fasteners to fasten cornerboards is recommended for best results. If you are planning to paint or are using a Paint Pro product that must be painted, use AZEK approved paints only and refer to azekexteriors.com/painting for detailed paint guidelines before painting. In summary, remember these best practices when installing AZEK Cornerboards. 1. Be sure to use proper fasteners. 2. Follow the fastener's spacing guidelines for the respective cornerboard widths. 3. If you plan on painting, be sure to use AZEK-approved paints only and follow AZEK's paint guidelines. 4. Reference our full installation guidelines and warranty before installation. You now know how to install AZEK Cornerboards. All AZEK Cornerboard products are made from rot-resistant PVC and are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Visit AZEKexteriors.com for more information.